was this culture and world that I was being exposed to and learning that there was just so much there and that it's everywhere, right? Like something that excited me about learning Yiddish was the ability to perhaps communicate with people from around the world, right? Like, and thinking also about kind of the experiences of Yiddish speakers, wherever people might come from, if their background is French speaking or Spanish speaking or Polish speaking or Russian speaking, Romanian, whatever it might be, that there's still this kind of common language that sits among people. And that was really exciting to me. And through that exposed me to the literature and the culture and the theater and the history of Yiddish choruses and all these things that I just thought was fascinating. And I, obviously before that did not really know much about. And just the amount of the layers of just ideas that are there and available was just really exciting. Overwhelming. It still is overwhelming. There will be no way that I ever can even begin to read and think about half of what I think is fascinating about Yiddish culture, kind of globally, not even only in France, but around the world. But that was something that was like really remarkable to me that I hadn't really been directly exposed to, and that it was very, very exciting. And I think thinking of the language as being something that could put you in touch with cultures from around the world, not just Yiddish culture itself, and like could make you think about places and people from wherever, was really fascinating to me. And Kolya actually like was one of the that was something that he brought to teaching me Yiddish, was that this was global, and this was a very rich and deep culture in a variety of spaces, and that was really kind of fun to be exposed to. Yeah, and I still think I think that aspect of it is fun.